All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be touching up on some of that rust repair that I was doing. You saw in the other video where I was doing all that grinding and stuff like that, removing as much of that rust as I could. Today what we're going to do is go ahead and spray some rust preventer and some, what's the word I'm looking for? Primer. Spray some primer on it and get it painted and see how well it matches. Probably not going to match up that well, but that's fine. But I've got Ford Perfect color match here in roughly the same maroon as the car. And then I've also got some rusty metal primer that we're going to use. And then also I have some rust reformer, which instantly covers rust to protect it. And then also it makes it a paintable surface. So there's some more rust under there that I didn't get all ground off. I'm just going to spray this on it and see what that does. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned off and masked up, and then we'll go from there. All right, and this is the area in question here that we are going to be covering and painting. Priming and painting. So I'm going to wash all this off with hot soapy water so I can get all the two-stroke oil that I coated it with to prevent it from rusting. And then I'm going to mask it, and then we're going to spray it. And then I got that other rust preventer stuff for some of this stuff underneath here. I'm just going to spray it all, I think is what I'm going to do. And don't forget to shake your cans up good. All right, so first thing we're going to do is just spray some rust inhibitor stuff on these inside pieces, just so we can stop some of the corrosion that's going on. Taking wire brush, cutter, grinder to a lot of it, but that stuff in there is just kind of hard to get to. And this is by no means a full restoration or anything like that. This was a vehicle that I got for free, so we're just kind of tinkering around on it just for fun. All right, so that's what we're going to do first, and then we'll mask that and paint that, prime and paint that piece there. All right, so we got some of that rust inhibitor on deep on the inside there, and you can see it does a pretty good job of covering it all up. That nice coat on there all the way down there. So hopefully that just kind of stops what already has been going on, because what's been done is done. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Pretty easy. So we'll let that dry. Then we'll move on to this. Now, as you can see, we have my expert masking job here, using an Aldi's paper bag. And we got everything kind of masked off. Well, we're going to stop right there. I need to put some, I'm not worried about if any overspray gets down on there anyway. It doesn't really matter. But so yeah, we're going to get this all. So now I'm going to sand this down. All this down just a little bit more. So the primer's got a little bit more to bite onto. And then I think we'll be good to primer and paint. And then let's see what we can do here. Okie dokie, here we go. All right, well, all right, we've got our priming done, and now I think we're ready to try the paint out. We'll see how she goes. But so far, I'm pretty happy with what we got. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect. It's a little rough, but it should prevent it from rotting any more than it already has. And that's all I'm really trying to do. All this chunk cut out, everything ground down. Now it's time to paint. Okie dokie. Let's see, I think. Okie dokie, here we go. I guess I gotta shape it up good. Let's put some paint on it. Okay, I think we got this side, or this part of it, done. Anyway, for now at least. See if I can get underneath there here and show you. So, we got it. Paint's still drying. You can see some of my tape lines. But yeah, that's okay. Because like I said, the main goal is just to stop it from rusting any more than it already has. It's not going to look perfect. It's a beater car. But just try and preserve what I can. So that turned out okay. Yeah, you can see there my tape line. We'll see how it holds up. I went over it with some paint again. So, lots of overspray there. I got pretty liberal down in there. I wasn't too worried about it. But yeah, I think overall, it doesn't quite match. But for pulling some paint off the shelf, you know, and I can even, once that fully dries, maybe I can clear coat it a little bit and try and paint, match up the paint a little bit, buff it out. But I don't know. I think overall, though, turned out pretty good. Got all that cut out, taken care of. All right, so that concludes my amateur rust repair for today on the ZX2. I think that using the Duplicolor Perfect Match original Ford colors, what color is this? What? Toreador Red is almost identical to the color that this car is. Maybe that is the color that it is. I don't know, but it ended up matching up pretty good. I mean, you can still tell where I did. There's a little bit of overspray where I corrected some things after I'd already pulled the masking off. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. All right, here we go. Smoke drop a little bit. One wheel peel, baby.